everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time for Weight Loss Wednesday. So, first week on my diet, I lost 3 pounds. I would have liked to have lost more, but I'll take the 3 pounds. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with 3 pounds. Considering I wasn't good every day. Easter, I wasn't good. I didn't even track what I ate Easter because I knew I was going over my allotted points for the day. I'm at 30 points a day, and yeah, I knew I went over it. And my son got a ton of Easter candy. Now, if he'd got the cheapy stuff, that would have been great, but no, he got Lindor truffles, and yeah, I've had some truffles. I had some jelly beans. So, yeah, all that, the good stuff's gone, so I don't have to worry about that anymore. But yeah, so 3 pounds is not bad. I didn't gain from eating bad that day, but I didn't lose any either. I have been weighing myself every morning. So, and I'll probably just continue doing that. I just do. But I don't track it but just once a week in the app. I really like the what am I saying? I like the iTrack Bites app a lot. I had to look at it to see what it's called. I've tried several of the recipes. Almost every morning I have the, it's called a strawberry parfait. It's some granola with some plain Greek yogurt, a little bit of honey, and then some berries. I either put some strawberries, or I do raspberries, or I do blackberries because I love berries. And I really enjoyed that for breakfast. That's a good breakfast for me, and I really, really like it. Let's see what else. For Easter, I made a corn, avocado, and tomato salad with a lime honey vinaigrette. The recipe was on the app, and it was really good. I left out the onion because I took it to my in-laws for Easter. And my sister-in-law is allergic to onion, but she didn't even eat it anyway. I could have put onion in it and it would have been good, but that's okay. So I still have a little bit of that left. I might have that for lunch today. And hardly any points at all in that. I am, like I said, really enjoying watching my points and seeing what foods has least amount of points. I'm making better decisions. I think that's what all this is about. I'm making a lot better decisions in what I eat. I like this better than keto. Keto was kind of stressing me a bit, and I was feeling like I was leaving out foods and that made me want to crave them. But with this, I can eat anything. I just have to allow my points. And so, yeah, it's helping me make better decisions. So I'm enjoying it. And if you want fast food, Long John Silver's, one night we had Long John Silver's, and I got grilled salmon with rice. And what side? Green beans. Oh, it was fantastic, and not that many points. It was great. So you can eat out with this. Just watch your points. And so I'm enjoying it. As far as exercise go, I haven't started any yoga yet, but I did do some walking. When I was at my in-laws, they have stairs. Their house from the road looks like 1 story, but it is 2-story. They have downstairs the 2-car garage and a big den downstairs, and then that goes out onto the deck. And so we hung out outside, but I went in through the front of the house, and I had to go down the stairs, and I can barely do the stairs at her house. I couldn't do them. I didn't realize how bad things were until I tried to walk the stairs, and because I have no stairs at my house. So yeah, it's pretty bad. I'm going to have to really work at getting my stamina and my strength back. But you know, it's a progress. It'll take time. It took me 2 years to get to this point. You know, it's going to take me a while to get my strength back. So that's my goal. My goal is to be able to walk some stairs without too much difficulty. maybe, and to be able to walk, go shopping and walk around, because I haven't been shopping. So that's going to be interesting when we can go back out into the world again and see how things do. So that's my check-in, guys. How are you guys doing? Are you doing okay on your diet? I know several of you are joining me. Are you using this app? Have you tried any of the recipes? Like I said, I've done the corn salad. I do the parfait. I made a, I think it was called a cheeseburger casserole. I made that for my family for dinner one night, and that went over really well. It was really good. I enjoyed that. And so, yeah. And just let me know how you guys are doing. Yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep going. 3 pounds down. 97 to go. Well, we're making a start, right? So guys, thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. And guys, just let me know how you're doing down below, and I will see you guys next week.